The kitchen revolution of 2025. Smart, sustainable, stylish, and social. In 2025, the modern kitchen is no longer just a space for cooking. It's a command center of the home, seamlessly blending smart technology with daily life. Voice-activated appliances, AI-driven recipe assistants, and self-cleaning surfaces are becoming standard in new kitchen designs. Smart fridges now not only track expiration dates, but suggest recipes based on available ingredients and dietary preferences. Cooking has become more intuitive, time-efficient, and personalized than ever. With the help of AI, even amateur home cooks can prepare meals that rival those of seasoned chefs. Sustainability is at the core of the kitchen design movement. Homeowners are prioritizing energy-efficient appliances, composting systems built directly into countertops, and water-saving dishwashers. There's also a sharp rise in the popularity of zero-waste pantries, featuring refillable containers, reusable packaging, and even indoor vertical herb gardens. Materials like recycled glass, bamboo, and reclaimed wood are being used in cabinetry and flooring, proving that eco-friendly choices can still be beautiful and modern. Aesthetic choices in the kitchen have shifted toward bold self-expression. Minimalism is giving way to kitchen maximalism, where vibrant backsplashes, two-tone cabinets, and mixed material counters, such as terrazzo and brass, are celebrated. Lighting has also taken center stage. Customizable LED panels and sculptural pendants are used to create mood and highlight different zones of the kitchen. Open shelving is making a comeback, not just for utility, but as a way to showcase personality through colorful dishware, cookbooks, and handmade ceramics. The kitchen has also evolved into a social hub, serving as a stage for creativity and connection. With more people working from home, it's become a place for everything, from virtual cooking classes to podcasting and casual video meetings. Modular islands and movable furniture allow for flexible layouts, making the space adaptable for both solo tasks and group gatherings. Whether hosting a dinner party, recording a recipe walkthrough, or simply sharing a coffee over a smart home assistant, today's kitchen is where stories and flavors come to life.